Okay, so we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to list a product on the platform. Everything is set up now to where we have orders and everything's synced. So let's get right into it. We're going to hit new, and it's going to open up our product page. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use Pokemon Sword on Switch because, yeah. I'm going to type in the barcode. I'm going to hit enter. And we get the title, the description, the brand, the model, the UPC, the EAN, GTIN, the shipping weight, which we're going to be doing free shipping for every single thing that we sell, so we're always going to change this to 0. MSRP is $59.99. Sell price is a great question. How do we figure out what the sell price is? We're going to go to ebay.com. We're going to paste in that barcode, and we're going to go to brand new. And we're going to go to sold listings. And now we can see what everything is selling for. And this does not look good, so we're going to look for highest price first. Looks like this goes for about $45 or so is a competitive price. So we're going to go back to sell price. Change it to 45. Quantity is however many you have. Product description, we're going to say this product is brand new. Brand new in the box. Location is cool location. Alright, so now we have everything for the product. Right now there's a bug, so it may or may not have already pulled the image. You can't see it until you save the product for the first time. So we're going to save it, and now it has a SKU number you can see up here. It did pull the image. That's great. We don't have to go find one. So now we want to list the product on eBay. So there's another bug that I didn't tell you about. You have to save the product first, and it has to have a SKU number. So you have to save the product the first time you ever save it, and then you can go to upload product to eBay. Select a category. It uses some pretty cool logic to figure out what it could be, so you don't have to go scrolling and searching. We're going to say it's a video game. You should not have to change the payment policy, the shipping policy, or the return policy ever. We're going to do the fixed price. It's always going to be fixed price. And if we go down to eBay price, we'll change it to 45, which is what we thought our competitive pricing was. eBay postal code, we are in Garland, Texas, so we're going to use 75042. What else do we need to do? So anytime you click a category, you're going to see a little loading bar like this pop up. Now what that does is it opens up a little menu down here with our eBay category specifics. It pulls all the required ones and puts them at the top, and everything else is below it. You don't have to enter anything that is not required. However, you do have to enter these. So game name, this list is fucking long as shit. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to copy Pokemon Sword Edition. I'm going to paste it here. Platform, if you don't want to scroll through all this shit right here, you can just hit S on your keyboard and then scroll down to Switch, which is... Oh wait, no, we need Nintendo Switch. Which would be in right there. Nothing else we need to enter, so all we got to do is hit save again. Make sure eBay, upload product to eBay is checked. It's going to take about 8 seconds to think, and it's going to refresh the page, and if it worked, you're going to see an eBay item number right here. So if we go back into inventory, and if we go to our last page, we'll see that it's right here. And if we click this little blue box, this little blue check right here that says that it's listed on eBay. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Click it, opens up a new tab, and there we go, listed by Garland Home Center. Now obviously I don't actually have this product, so I'm going to delete it. If you want to revise a listing, you can do that. You just have to make sure this is checked when you hit save. If you don't want this product listed on eBay, you can end it. Just hit save. So we're just going to end it. And now it's ended. Now I'm going to go into shipping a little bit. So there might be some instances where we cannot offer free shipping. If you just read the policies that we have, they're pretty self-explanatory. FedEx, home and ground, calculated. If you didn't want to offer free shipping, you would have to click this. Now here's the thing, if you click a shipping policy that is not free, you have to make sure all of these dimensions right here are accurate. Now, product weight and dimensions, we're not talking about the actual product itself. We're talking about the box that this product would go in. So you have to imagine. So this is a Pokemon game in a fucking Nintendo Switch. It's very, very small. This could probably fit in a FedEx one rate pack. But let's say that we had something bigger, like we were shipping a computer. That's probably a 24, 24, 12. That's a pretty damn big box, you know? So you type 24, 24, 12, and then you'd have to get the weight of the item in the box and put it on one of our shipping scales and type in the weight in the ounces. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, I would say do not list a product as new unless it's actually new. There's 5 different categories. 4 parts are not working, used, seller refurbished, and open box. Now, I am 99% sure if a product is not new, you have to put a condition description. So if the product is brand new, you don't have to put this, but if it is not brand new, you do. But other than that, I guess if you fuck up on any of this, the program's going to tell you pretty quickly. So let's just pick a category. Let's go back to video games and let this pop up down here. Now let's say that we forget to enter in our required stuff. You know, we forgot to do it. Well, what happens if we try to upload this product on eBay? Like what's going to happen? We're going to hit save. And that's a bug. eBay listing successfully listed. That message should not pop up. So if the listing did not go through, you will not see a number here. So if there is an eBay listing for this product, there should always be a number inside this box. That's our listing ID. If you don't see that, you'll probably see something up here. Now here's the problem. This is not the actual error that you messed up on. Return policy attribute, return description not valid on this site. Shipping service cost exceeds $20 maximum allowed for selected category. That's not even the real problem. The actual problem is that you didn't fill out the category specifics down here. Now, if you don't put a postal code, if you don't put a price, if you don't give it a category, it's going to throw some type of error, and that error should be displayed up here. It might not always show the correct error, but just know if you see something inside this other box, you did something wrong. And 99% of the time, all you got to do is if you don't have free shipping, you got to have length, width, depth, weight in pounds and ounces. You got to have a quantity. You got to have a condition. If it's not new, you got to have a condition description. Every product has to have a location wherever this product is. You have to give it a postal code. It's 75042 every single time. You have to give it a price. Right now, we are only doing fixed prices. You shouldn't have to change any of these unless it's not free shipping. And this has to be checked if you want it to upload on eBay. And you have to fill out the required category specifics. And you have to have an image. If you don't have an image, if you don't have category specifics, if you forget the postal code, the price, you don't click a category, you don't give it a condition description if it's not new, you don't give it a quantity, anything could go wrong. There's like 12 things that you always got to check. Now, I know this sounds like a lot, but over time, it's going to become a whole lot easier, and you'll be using this software extremely fast, just like I do right now. Now, in the future, I'm going to fix some of these bugs I spoke about, but for now, we are not going to worry about it, and we're just going to get the ball rolling. So, last thing I'll show you before we quit is unique products. There's 83 unique products right now, total products, inventory value, and eBay listings. Now, if you see this is 82 out of 83, this number should always be a full number. We always want to have the maximum amount of listings unless we have zero quantity of something. So obviously we don't have this listed because we don't actually own it. So we're going to delete it. But now it goes back to normal. Other than that, we can look at our eBay orders. So these eBay orders are only items that we have sold. Now, this is not our eBay account. There are other orders that go through this eBay account. My program does not pick it up. So if we sort by date purchased, we can see everything that we've sold today. In the future, we'll have tracking numbers and shipping costs, so we can calculate commission fees on every single item. And yeah, that is the whole thing. Thanks.